cricket, life, and everything in between. 25 questions with Shahid Afridi. Who was your cricketing idol?
Imran Khan.
If you weren't a cricketer, what would you be?
Army.
Who's the best bowler you've ever faced?
McGraw.
Favorite holiday destination?
Maldives.
If you could eat only one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh God. Barbecue.
Who was the biggest prankster in the Pakistan squad?
Shoaib Malik.
Did you have any superstitions before you went onto the field?
No, not really.
Best captain you've played under?
Wasim Akram.
If you could meet one sports person from another sport, who would it be?
Muhammad Ali.
If there was a movie made on you, who would you like to play your character?
Oh God. Tom Cruise.
A song that is stuck in your head?
हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में.
Which app on your phone do you use the most?
WhatsApp.
Favorite ODI innings?
Kanpur inning.
Favorite India versus Pakistan match of all time?
Kanpur.
One former cricketer you'd like to bat with?
Lara.
Any other nickname other than Boom Boom that you'd have liked?
Lala.
One artist you want to see perform live?
I miss that. Nusrat.
One teammate you'd never like to sit next to on a long haul flight?
Oh God. If I want to sleep, if it's a long flight, if I want to sleep, then I don't want to see Misbah. He's talking too much. But he's a good guy.
One batsman you love bowling to and you thought you could get him out easily?
Easily. Who can bat number 11?
One memorable moment as captain?
2011 World Cup.
One former bowler that you would have wanted to face?
Former bowler. I think I have played against every bowler like McGraw, Bishop, Courtney Walsh, all big names.
Kohli, Smith, Root, Williamson. Who's the better batsman?
All top.
What do you tell people when they make jokes about your age?
Age is just a number.
One Indian cricketer you're good friends with?
I was with we spent a good time with UV, Baji, Zahir.
One rule in cricket that you'd like to change?
No idea. I am happy all the rules. It's fine.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Click on the bell icon for notifications.